Hello everyone and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through fixing the Snapchat support code SS06, which often prevents you from loading in or claims your device is banned. The process is extremely straightforward. This SS06 error usually flags your account for suspicious activity because Snapchat can't verify that it's actually you. The first way to fix this is to prove you are in your normal location. Open your phone's settings. It might be an iPhone or Android. Just open your phone's settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps. After that, tap on Manage Apps and simply search for Snapchat at the top. Open Snapchat from the menu. Now tap on App Permissions and make sure Location is allowed. As you can see, currently my location is denied, so tap on the location option and make sure to choose Allow only while using the app. Once you do this, it tells Snapchat that you are logging in from your home or a trusted location, rather than a suspicious, unknown server. Now, go back to the main settings option. The most common trigger for this error is using a VPN. If Snapchat sees you logged in from a different country or a masked IP address, it assumes that you are a bot or a hacker. Go to the VPN section in your settings menu and turn off whatever VPN you use. Make sure to toggle it off as shown here. By turning this off, you remove the layer of masking that is causing the security system to block your access. Sometimes your specific Wi-Fi address might also be flagged, so changing your connection source can often bypass this error. Simply go to your Wi-Fi and data menu, disable the Wi-Fi, or switch to any different type of internet connection to see if it fixes the issue. Lastly, I need to be honest with you about what this code means if the previous steps didn't work. SS06 is often a device ban, meaning Snapchat has blacklisted your specific phone's hardware ID due to repeated violations. If you have fixed your location and disabled your VPN but still see the error, your account might be fine, but you won't be able to log in on this specific phone anymore. In the worst-case scenario, the only fix is to use a completely different device to access your account. That's it. Hopefully, adjusting your location and network settings clears up the error for you. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. Thank you for watching and take care.